would not have been possible without the collective effort and support of so many dedicated individuals. As SSG President, I'd like to thank our amazing SSG advisor, Sir Ivan Oliver Habido, OSAS Dean, Sir Ryan D. Moral, DIA Director of Academic Affairs, Sir Junimar P. Ones, CD Dean, Sir Jamil Pangin, and faculties, PD Dean, Sir Reggie Consigna, and faculties, school staffs, school director, Sir Alan Amega, my core officers, representative, and the CD and PD department officers, and staff for making our technopreneurship program a success. Your support, teamwork, and dedication made it all possible. Congratulations to all of us, and thank you.
Thank you very much to our Honorable President, Mr. Makoto Evarono.